level should provide a support, but it went below and closed the week at 12,550 levels. Now what is going to happen next week, which position you should take in order to make profit, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Missing on to subscribe is missing on to the profits, as I share my daily update on NASDAQ100 twice a day, one with the Asia session and one with the US cash session. So definitely the directions and the levels will help you become profitable. Do not miss to subscribe the channel. Let's start. And as I shared, see US 100 has seen the channel highs and it is trying to retrace. At the same time, this is considered a reversal. It is breaking, it has broken the trend out there in which it was trading. The retracement on the upside is done and it is looking downwards. This is the second red candle, and remember after this reversal, first this is the second red candle, and in general we can see, also look at this candle, it is kind of a Mariboju candle where it is a standalone candle with flat top and a flat bottom out there, indicated that there is a strong bearishness. Now if you see it trading below this zone at 12,500, you can expect that the next support level is directly going to be around 12,130, 12,150 levels, and in fact below that, yes, you can expect it to come back towards 11,900, 11,840 level. This is the next support zone. So possibility exists below 12,500 we can see a further fall. This appears that the third red candle can be seen, and remember, when it's a bullish market, the rise is always faster and the drop or the retracement is slower, and when it's a bear market, the rise is slower and the drop is sharper enough such that it continues in the bearish trend. The same phenomena we are observing, and if it wants to trade in this bullish channel, it has to reverse above 13,000 level, then only consider that as a bullish reversal. But this is just on the weekly charts. Let's have a look at the daily chart. Look at the daily chart. The drop is the reversal indicated here. The drop started from there, and since then it is trying to give you an expanding triangle. It is trying to trade bearish. Also remember, after a little retracement, this is the first red candle, and hence we can expect a follow-up or a couple more red candles which can be smaller than size from this, because this is almost from 13,100, 200 to 12,550 levels, almost 600 to 700 points of drop we have seen here. And yes, it can reduce with time. Maybe next couple of days you can expect 400 to 200 levels, but that will be good enough for to take it below 12,000 levels, and I will be looking forward to 11,900. If it drops below 12,000, yes, it will try to attempt and achieve this zone at 11,900, which is going to be a very good support out there. We have seen that earlier also, but 11,900 and 11,840, if these two are taken, it is a crash out there, and 11,500 cannot be denied. Now let's have a look at the 4-hour. Now look at the 4-hour charts. The support there at 12,800. After that, it has seen a reversal, then a vertical drop out there, and this is a vertical fall. 3 red candles, almost of same size. Possibility exists that it may try to give you a gap down, and from there it will try to decide which direction to take. 12,400 is a very strong support zone. 12,400 we have earlier seen this levels providing it a support from 12,400 to 12,550 levels, 500 levels. In between these levels there is definitely a stronger support. Below that it will try to get at 12,250, 200, and then below that we may see it dropping towards 11,900 levels. So do watch out for these levels. Right now it is trying to reverse the trend and it is trying to trade with a drop. See, it has continued with the bullish channel for a little while. Now it is trying to trade bearish. So a fall, minor retracement, a fall may call for a minor retracement and then a fall. So till the time it trades below 13,000 levels and 12,900, 12,800, 13,000 zone, you can consider this to be remain bearish, and then you can expect 11,900 levels at least, if not this week, then probably by next week. So this is what we can see on the 4-hour charts. Now coming back to, we have seen the weekly charts. Now let's look at the monthly candle. Now look at the monthly candle. Just connect the dots out there. These two highs are connected, and if you draw a parallel from there, it is also reflecting. See, also look at the gravity here, and this candle is looking forward to a downside move, and it is getting the gravitational pull from the downside. Then you can expect that it is going to drop below 12,000 levels. Then you can expect 11,950, 900, and in fact 11,000 600 levels, which are going to be a stronger support. If it wants to close the candle here, it may achieve these levels and then try to get a pullback on the upside. There is a very strong probability exists. At the same time, we must not forget that only 3 trading sessions left for it to drop. So these 3 trading sessions towards the closer end of this month, that is the next 3 trading sessions, we can see a probable drop. And what we have seen on the 4-hour daily charts, that it may give you couple of follow-up red candles. We have to be very cautious in our long positions. Only above 13,000 levels you can consider it as bearish, else any rise till towards 13,000 levels, it can continue to drop and resume the downtrend. Be watchful of 12,700-800 zone. This I told you and I warned you last time also. 12,700-800 zone is going to remain important. This time again I am warning you. 12,700-800 zone, if it breaches, definitely it will call for a rise. Then 13,000 levels will be seen, and if it successfully trades above 13,000, it is going to go bullish again. Be watchful, be careful. I think for the first 3 days we may see a drop, and possibility exists that it can drop below 12,000 levels till towards 11,900. And if it drops below 11,900, 11,700, 600 zone can be seen. So this is what we can see on the charts. And also one must not forget that, see, it is again trying to reverse, and the next monthly candle will decide its fate, which direction it wants to take. And if it continues to drop below 11,000, definitely it is looking forward to a further drop, because it is going to remain bearish. This is the rise which it may try to cover up, which is at around 9,000 level. Probability exists that it can try to, or it can drop till those levels in the near future, maybe couple of months, maybe 6 months down the lane. When my first prediction of 11,000 levels, which I made in January, February earlier, that NASDAQ100 is going to hit 11,000, it was a successful prediction. Now if it successfully trades below 11,000, the next target is towards 9,000 levels. In couple of months we may see it hitting those levels. So this is what we can see. Now let's have a look with the help of the indicators, whether the indicators also suggest the same. Indicators on the 4-hour charts indicate that it is trading outside the Bollinger Bands. Now the next candle, we may see Bollinger Bands widening out there, but then it may get a pullback also. You have to be watchful of 12,800 levels and then 12,700 levels. If it breaks, if it continues to trade above 12,800, definitely it will call for 12,900 and plus levels on the upside. Be watchful of 12,950, 13,100 and then 13,200, definitely a stronger resistance. Directional movement extremely bearish, it is divergent. Stochastic extremely oversold, it can continue to stay oversold, as how what we have seen here, it can continue to trade oversold. The MACD has just crossed over, it is divergent. This is the second red candle. We can expect a third and fourth red candle, which is going to be large in size, and hence a more bearishness can be expected. The RSI is again entering into oversold zone. Possibility exists that it can trade sideways or it can trade with a drop, and then RSI can remain at these levels itself. So largely appears that we are going to see a drop. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts you will find that the 20 period moving average at around 13,200 provided it a very strong resistance, and now it is trading below, in fact, the 200 period moving average and the 50 period moving average as well. So it has breached these two levels. Now it is looking forward for it to achieve 12,400, the next strongest support. This is the 100 period moving average. Breaking below 12,400, it will call for a further drop on the downside. Then we can look forward to 12,100, 200 zone, and then 11,900 can be seen. Just be watchful of 12,800, sustaining about 12,800. It may call for a little reversal till towards 12,950, 13,000, which is a stronger resistance, and then we will see a flyer for 13,100, 200 levels. And remember, on the daily chart, it is trading outside the Bollinger Bands, which indicates probably pullback or an expansion of charts is possible, or expansion of Bollinger Bands is possible. Now look at the weekly charts. The support there at precisely 12,550 from the 20 weeks average. And if it drops below 12,500, it will call for another drop, which may try to get the support at 12,400, then 12,200, 150 levels, and then below that it will call for 11,900 levels. On the upside, yes, The 100 weeks average, the 50 weeks average are lying far away at around 13,700 and 13,500 and 14,000 levels, precisely a stronger resistance on the upside. I will be watchful of this zone at 12,500 levels. If it breaches, we can expect a further drop. Also remember, the Bollinger Band's width on the weekly charts is far away, lying far away, and the support there at 11,000 levels can only be seen. The directional movement is bearish. It is again trying to diverge. The stochastic was overbought, now looking downwards, and it may continue towards its downwards journey. The MACD was bullish so far, now looking to converge crossover for a sell entry, and the RSI too is looking downwards, indicating little bearishness there. And if you look at the monthly candle, on the monthly candle, as you see in the 20 months average giving it a support, and the 50 months average is also coming together here at 11,000 levels, and only drop below these levels is indicative that we may see a good drop. At the same time, this is the 20 months average at 14,000 levels, and it is trying to trade in between this, only breaking below 11,000. It can see a little drop, and then one can expect 9,000 levels and 8,000 levels in few weeks, few months. I don't think so that, but these are markets. Yes, probably it is a bear market and it may resume the downtrend. I look forward to how it behaves at 11,000. If it sustains below 11,000, definitely one can expect 9,000 and 8,000 levels on NASDAQ 100. These are markets. Anything is possible. Whatever you expect is something which is not going to happen, and whatever you don't expect is going to happen. If I expect it is bearish, probably it may not, and if you expect that it is bullish, probably it may act bearish. Right now the more logical approach is to go with the trend, go with the flow, do not expect much, close the little trades in profit, enjoy the little profits, and keep re-entering with the increased wealth. It will not only, smaller profits will not only increase your wealth but also increase your confidence to take a trade with a profit. Now let's have a look at this trading strategy and levels for next week. First, let's talk about the levels to go long, and if you see it trading beyond 12,650, then only I will recommend you to go long. Then one can expect 12,710, 12,820. If these two levels are taken, then you can expect it to hit 12,950 and 13,000 levels. Trading below 13,000, it will call for the bulls, and you can see it again hitting till towards 13,150 and 13,200 levels. Any rise above this is sky is the limit. But remember, I don't expect it to breach this zone. At least even if it tries to rise, 12,820 levels should be a very strong resistance, and if it breaks this, then 13,000 levels should come into picture. Till 13,000 levels, till it sustains below 13,000 levels, you can confirm that it is going to remain bearish and we can expect a drop. And on the downside, yes, you can go short at 12,500 itself. Below 12,500, the next target is directly towards 12,400, and if this is taken, 12,400 is a very strong support on the downside. If 12,400 is taken, directly I will look forward to 12,280, 12,150, and then below this it is directly going to land towards 12,000 and 11,900 levels. If it drops below 11,900, the next target is directly to 11,830 and 11,700. In fact, it can drop below these levels. Anything is possible. These are markets beyond you, beyond me, beyond anyone, and just we have to ensure that we trade as per the levels, we close the trades in profit, we keep a trailing stop loss, that's it, and just go with the trend. So if you have taken a trade with the trend, you will definitely expect that it is going in the right direction, it is going in profits, and then you have put a stop loss at cost, and you have put a trailing stop loss, and then obviously any reversal will close your trades in profit. So trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, and yes, do not miss to become a part of my mentorship batch, because learning is what keeps you going. Learning for life is what will get the return for life. So yes, you can join my mentorship batch. 15 days lifetime support and 90 minutes daily live sessions is what you get, and definitely it will help you become a profitable and proficient trader. There are many strategies which will be taught, so reach out to me for details on it. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my pattern group, where one membership or a level is for to support the effort which I am giving out here on YouTube, and that costs hardly anything to you. You can just support, and it will be definitely a motivation to me to continue with this effort on a regular basis. The second tiered membership is where you get the maximum value. You will get the opportunity to interact with me on a live basis. You can discuss with me for any of your positional trades, your existing trades, your positions, and also you can have a discussion on the signals which I will be providing there on this membership. So reach out to me for more details. My pattern page and links are mentioned in the Telegram video and channel description, and you can contact me there. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.